This here is an '07 Hyundai Entourage, and you can see we have a problem here. It's an intermittent no starting condition, which is caused by the IPS module, which is located way down here.
To the right of the fuse.
To the right of the fuse, as illustrated by my assistant here. I'm going to show you the fix. Let's show you how this works. Alright. What we do is we get this this Walmart bag out here. Get that critter out of there. This is how this works. Get that thing a good beat down. Let me get that remote right quick. Let me show you how this swings. I'm trying to be serious. People are messing around on here. Watch this. Pow! That's how it goes. So when it lacks discipline, you go. Just beat that thing down. Now this is not a permanent fix, as you can see. But if you're in a pickle and your car is stuck, this is how you can rattle it loose. You give it the technical tap. Now what happens is down there's a relay, and when the coil doesn't make a connection, it keeps the relay from closing, and the vehicle will never start. So if you just give it a shake, it's a quick workaround, could save you a lot of trouble. So